Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 26. How to create contact form in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a contact form in your WordPress site. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, we are going to choose Plugins and then Add New option. So here on the search bar, type Contact Form. So here we have all the related plugins. For the first one, we have 5 million plus active installations. We will install it with this Install Now button. It's installed, and you can activate it from here only. Click on Activate button. So the new plugin is added in Dashboard Options on the left. You can deactivate it from below here. Click on this Deactivate button, and that plugin is automatically removed from the dashboard. Activate it again from here only. Refresh your dashboard, and the plugin resumed its position on it. Click on this plugin, and here we have a shortcode for Contact Form 1. Copy this code, and go to Add New option in Pages. We will create a new page with title Contact Us. And in the body, we will paste that shortcode, then Publish. Click on View Page. And here is our Contact Us page. Refresh it, and here it is. The form is updated with name, email ID, subject, and then message box. Now from Contact, choose Add New option to add a new contact form. Add form title here, and then we have options like form, mail, messages, additional settings separately. Click on Messages, and here all the messaging details. Error message, thank you message, everything is here. You can change more from additional settings. In Mail, we have everything regarding email ID, like which mail ID the mails will be forwarded to them from, subject, etc. All the details are here. In Form, we have Form Template. Your name, your email, subject, everything is enclosed in the label tag. You can delete one label if you want. And to add a new one, select the tab you want to add. Insert required details like field type, and set required field option, and then click on this Insert Tag button. So here the tag is inserted. Now enclose it with the label tag, copy text from above, and change field name to phone number, and then close label. So here the new field is added with the desired format. Enter form title of your choice, then click on this Save button. So this is your new form's shortcode. Copy it. Again, go to Pages, edit to Contact Us page, and change the shortcode with the new one in the body, then update. View Page, and you'll see instead of the subject, we have a field named Phone Number here. The rest is the same. Go back to Contact and choose Integration. You can integrate services from here like Constant Contact and CAPTCHA in the form. So that's pretty much everything with the contact form. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn how to use gravitars in WordPress. See you in the next video tutorial.